Good day to all. This week we'll be creating and implementing Connect type learning activities. My name is Richard Sanchez for Instructional Design and Delivery class for Dr. Lali. On the agenda we'll be talking about the history, the appearance and features of a tweet, using a tweet for, question using a tweet only, tweet ethics, begin to search for the classroom textbook, tweet learning activity, and of course find the survey, which will help me improve my skills to better create training programs. For the history, Mr. Jack Dorsey was the one that came with the concept of tweets, enabling the community to communicate with each other, to have discussions. And you can only put a total of 140 characters with the use of an iPhone or an Android. However, in 2017, the characters were increased to 280 per tweet, including the ability to upload videos up to 30 seconds. The appearance of the tweet looks like on the right-hand side. When you use the phone application, it tells you on the bottom right-hand side how many characters are you able to tweet, and it counts how many characters are you entering every time you go into the tweet. What can you use it for? You can use it for Snapchat, WhatsApp, social media, Skype, Vine, hashtag, blogs, WeChat, and Wikipedia. For this particular training, we will learn to access the classroom textbook or ebook by highlighting the current course, left click on the course, and choose the material that you're able to read on the page. So here's a question. Can you identify and locate the online classroom textbook or ebook? If so, explain the steps. The reply must be 140 characters or less. Keep in mind that during the reply you must use Twitter ethics, which is academic language. So let's begin searching for the textbook. We need to go to the web engine and your phone, Android, and search for Oxford University. Here you go, use the phone. This is what's going to look like on the phone. Once you go there, you are going to see the following. You're going to see this come up on the home page after you sign in. You will enter your classroom, and then you will choose modules. You can either choose the resources here, or you can go to the bottom of the page where it says ebook edu. That's how I found it the first time, but we're going to try it through here first. Once you click require resources, you can click where it says e-learning by design, second edition, and it takes you right back to the module, and then you can just go ahead and load the text. Once you load the text, this is going to show up. E-learning by design, and all you need to do is hit start reading. It takes a little bit to. Here we go. E-learning by design by William Horton. So we go back to the presentation where we begin searching for the classroom textbook. Now it's time for us to have some Twitter learning activities, such as the way to share and upload your video on Twitter. It's a video about 2 minutes and 22 seconds long, as well as a literature in regards to WikiHow, how to use the Twitter. It's about 20 steps long. So to complete this training, I'll appreciate if you can give me some feedback in regards to how the training was. It's 5 questions that will help us, will help me become a better designer when it comes to training, making trainings on video. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.